dear students, welcome to our computer class. This is continuation video of class 6 computer chapter number 3. Hope you all sounds good and understood the previous portion of this chapter. I must tell you that I appreciate you that you are watching these videos continuously and using this in your studies. So dear students, with this enthusiasm, let's continue the chapter with next topic. Moving and resizing tables. Look at here. When you click on the table, you notice a plus sign at the top left corner. This is called the table move handle. A small hollow square at the right corner of the table is called the table resize handle. So, to move the table, place the mouse pointer on the table move handle until a plus sign will appear and drag that table to any part of the document and then release the mouse button. Your table is placed at new place. Alright? Then if you want to resize the table, what you do? Place the mouse pointer on the table resize handle until a double-headed arrow appears and then drag the table boundary. As you drag, you see a dotted line that indicates the size of a table. Release the mouse button when you get the desired size. Alright? It is like this. Okay. Then now come to next. Writing simple mathematical expressions. Alright. So, what you do? If you want to do some simple calculations in Microsoft Word 2010, you should follow some given steps here. Alright. What are these? First, you have to click the layout tab. Then, click in the required cell to get the result. Then, click formula from the data group. It look like fx formula. Okay, the formula dialog box appear. Then now delete the text written in the formula box and type a mathematical expression with an equal sign. For example, equal to 25 plus 30 like that, or 5 plus 2 like that. Okay, but you should put equal to sign before the expression. Alright, then at last, what you do? Select the number format in which you want to display the result and then click OK button. Okay. So, when we are taking the expression equal to 25 plus 30, in this case, the result will 55 displayed in the cell. Alright. Like this. See here. Formula box is this. Equal to 25 plus 30. Alright. Then result will displayed, okay, on the formula result box. Okay, now come to next topic. What is this? Adjusting row height, column height or column width. Okay, what you have to do here, you have to, if you want to adjust the height or row in width, what you have to do? You have to follow some steps. To adjust the row height, follow the given steps. These are: place the cursor on any cell in the row like this. Then click the layout tab. Step number 2 is click the layout tab. Then step 3, click that property tabs from the table group. The table property dialog box will appear. Then like this, table property box appear. Then you can select the row. You can click the row tab. Then simply specify height checkbox and use the scroll arrow to increase or decrease the row height. Alright, what you want to do? You can increase or decrease their height. Then click simply OK button. Clear? Alright. Now, if you want to adjust similarly column width, then what you have to do? Here also you can follow some given steps. What is this? Place the cursor on any cell in the column. If you want to increase column width, so you should place cursor on the column. Okay. Now click the layout tab. Again click properties from the table group. The table property dialog box appear. Then like this it is appeared. Then simply click column tab. Then select the preferred width that you want to check out and use the scroll arrow to increase or decrease the column width. Alright, then simply click OK. Okay, it will increase your column width. Clear? Very simple steps, you can do it. Okay, now come to next topic. This is borders and shading. This is all about the tables, what you can modify it. Okay, so here what are borders and shading? You can add borders and shading to your table. Yes, easily by using the border and shading command from the table style group. Okay, to add the borders you have to follow some given steps. What are these? We can see. First, where you have to go, click the design tab. Step number 1, design tab. Okay, then click border from the table style group. A drop down menu will appear. Okay, step number 2 is click border tab. Then click border and shading options. A dialog box appears like this. Okay, then simply choose some styles, colors and width of the border here, and then after choosing your desired style and border or color or width, you can just go to click button. OK button, click OK. Your table is modified like this. Okay, it will appear good. Border is there, so it will be good. Now next, come to the next topic. What you have to do? If you want to add some shading, what you have to do? You can follow the given steps here. What are these steps? See, click the cells or select multiple cells and click design tabs. Then here you can click your shading style from the table style group. A drop down menu will appear like this. Then simply select and click the colors of your choice to get required result. Okay, any color you can choose, or you can go to the more color option. You can modify your own color. You can create your own color and choose it. Alright, so here also the table is colored, shading is appear on your table. Alright, now come to the next topic. It is table styles. Now you can choose table style also. There are table styles is an inbuilt facility of Microsoft Word for changing the look, color and design of the border of the table. It is present in the design tab on the ribbon. The design tab appears only when a table is inserted. Alright, so if you want to change some style in your table, you can choose, you can follow some given steps. Click on the table in the document, then click the design tab, then click more button in the table style group, then choose any visual style from the gallery. The preview of the selected style can be seen on the table. Then you can this type of preview. You can choose any style and then the preview of the selected style can be seen on the table. Then click to apply. If when after applying the table is modified, changing in your desired style. Alright, okay, now This is all about the tables. Now we come to the next topic, alignment of text. Okay, now you can after creating any type of style, shading, colors, increasing the width. Now we can talk about some text. How can we can modify our text inside the table? What are these alignment of text? Alignment refers to the way in which text is placed in the worksheet. To align the text, we use commands like align top left, align top center, align top right, align center, align bottom center, many of these. Alright. So if you want to align your text, what you have to do? You have to follow the given steps. We can see the steps here. Select the cell or range of the cells. Then click layout tab and select any of the given commands from the alignment group. Alright. And these are the alignment commands are given here. Okay. You can see easily align top left. What they do? What this command do actually? This command aligns text to the top left corner of the cell. Okay. Then next, align top center. This command do center text and align it to the top of the cell. Then align top right. This command aligns text to the right corner of the cell. Then align center left. This command can center text vertically and align it to the left side of the cell. So this type of commands can do the many things. We can modify our text. We can align our text in different ways. So use it and align your text. All right. Now we can just go to the key points of this chapter. What is this? Table is a grid of row and columns. A cell is a rectangular box which is formed by the intersection of rows and columns. Combining two or more cells in the same row or column into a single cell is called merging. Now, breaking up a single cell into multiple cells in a table is called splitting of cells. Then, table properties dialog box appears when you click property dialog box property commands from the table group of the layout tab. Then you can add borders and shading to the table by using the border and shading command from the table style groups. Then table style is an inbuilt facility of Microsoft Word for changing the look, color and design of the borders of the table. So these are some main key points of the chapter. Hope you understood the chapter. This chapter is simply a practical chapter. You can do it practically, you can understand more. All right. So try to do it at your home. Now we come to the exercise section. Here are some multiple choice questions are given. We can solve it one by one. Take the correct option. Tables group is present in the dash tab. Which tab? Which tab you can? Here, insert tab. Okay. The right answer is insert tab. Now, the vertical data in the table is called, what we call vertical data? We call it column. Right. Now, formula command is present in the dash group. Which group? Data group. Right. Formula command is present in data group. Next, fourth, Dash is an inbuilt facility to change the look, color and design of the table. We know this is table styles. Table style is correct option. It is an inbuilt facility. Alright. Now come to the next question. This is write the keyboard shortcuts for the following. Number 1 is you have to write here shortcuts only, not full command. Alright. So first is to move the cursor to the next cell in a row. The shortcut is tab key. Okay. Then number 2, to move the cursor to the previous cell in a row. This is shift plus tab. It is a shortcut. Then number 3, to move the cursor to the first cell in a row, what we do? Alt plus home key. Okay. Now to open formula dialog box, what you do? Just simply click FX, or you can use Alt plus A plus O key. Okay. After pressing this key, the formula dialog box will automatically open. Alright. This is the shortcuts of the following keys. Okay. So now I'll give you homework. Here, look at this. Here, 2 tables are given, and what you have to do actually, you have to create the given table listing various deficiency disease in humans and perform the following tasks. Number 1, change the row height of each row and change the column width of each column like given below. Okay. Then number 2, create the table as shown and perform the following task. First, insert 2 columns on the right of the table. Then type the heading in columns as profit and loss respectively. Then calculate the profit or loss of each article using formula commands. Then add border and shading. Then apply table styles of your own choice. The many practical things are there. Okay. So what is the formula here to calculate the profit or loss of each article? Look at here. Profit. How profit is calculating? When the SP, it means selling price is greater than CP, then profit is calculated. You have to put here equal to sign and SP minus CP. And if CP, it means cost price is greater than selling price, then loss is there. Then put loss formula and calculate loss by this formula equal to CP minus SP. Alright. So do it. It is very simple practical homework. Okay. Then I'll give you given question answers of section B in the link provided below. So open it. Write the question answers in the copy. Okay. So this is all about the chapter. So dear students, this chapter is totally practical based. As much you do practical, you got the concept of the chapter. So do more and learn more. Alright, we'll meet soon in the next video with chapter number 4. Up to that, enjoy the days. Bye bye.